This video is about the basics of synthesizers. Part 3 is about ADSR envelopes. What is ADSR envelope? ADSR is short for attack, decay, sustain, release. It is simply a ramp that you can apply to the volume, pitch, or filter when you press a key. So currently we have attack, decay all the way down, sustain all the way up, and release all the way down. This is currently applied to the volume of the sound that we hear. If you have attack turned all the way down, when you first press that key down, the volume will pop on instantly. As you turn the attack up, it's going to change the length of the ramp. So if attack is turned up, that volume will take longer to increase. Decay takes place after the attack ramp. So after we go past the attack ramp, decay is the ramp that will lead to the sustain. So let's illustrate. We're going to bring sustain all the way down. It works the same way as attack. So if it's all the way down, it's like an instant tone. If I bring it up, it's going to fade out. So the ramp, let's turn up attack just so we can hear. It's going to attack, and then it's going to decay to where the sustain is. Sustain is the volume that you want as you hold the key down. So here we don't really hear anything, but if we bring it up, we can hear it's like a volume. If it's turned all the way down, the volume will be silent. If you turn it all the way up, the volume will be at maximum. Release is the off-ramp to silence. It occurs after you let go of the key. So if it's turned all the way off, the note will stop immediately when you lift your finger from the key. As it's turned up, it will fade out to silence longer when you lift your finger from the key. So let's bring it up a little. Here, fast fade, bring it up more. Longer. More. Really long. So if we want to make kind of like a pluck sound, bring up decay, have sustain down, bring up release. Maybe bring it up a lot. If you want like an organ sound, turn sustain all the way up. If you want a pad, probably want sustain up, bring up attack and release.
Yeah.